Hey, friend. So last week I shared with you that it is now statistically proven that if you are overweight or obese, you are at higher risk for contracting a virus. I mean, now all the data is on COVID, but this would be for any virus. Cold and flu season is coming. You want to not be at risk for catching anything. And again, the stats show that a higher risk occurs when you're overweight or obese. Well, today I've got some solution for you. It's three-step meal prep. Now, the term meal prep is pretty popular right now, right? It means to take 4 hours on a Sunday afternoon, prepare a whole bunch of food, get those little plastic containers, take the food, put it exactly the same in the plastic container, stack the plastic container in the refrigerator, and you're supposed to eat from that all week long. I don't know about you, but I'm not taking 4 hours of my Sunday afternoon to put the same exact food in the same exact container and stack it up in the refrigerator. Now, again, you might love cooking and you might love taking 4 hours to do that. I just don't want to do it. So we created something called three-step meal prep. As a matter of fact, you can learn more about it at threestepmealprep.com. Three-step meal prep is very simply plan, prepare, complete. That's it. Plan, prepare, complete. Plan means to think about a food that you want to eat, the protein, right? And then to plan a recipe, and what we show you how to do is to get 2 or 3 recipes out of the same food. You're going to make it in about 20 minutes each day. So you don't have to spend 4 hours on a Sunday afternoon preparing the same exact food and you're going to eat the same exact food all week long. No, you plan. You plan the protein and then you plan the recipes, which we're going to give you, by the way. And then you prepare. So you take that protein and you prepare it in whatever way is best to complete the recipe. And did I mention the whole thing takes no more than 20 minutes, right? And then you complete. Well, the complete part's pretty easy. We don't really have to teach you how to do that because complete means eat. It means eat. Enjoy the recipe that you've just put together and then allot the remaining part of that recipe to be used in another recipe. And again, at Three-Step Meal Prep, we're going to show you exactly how to do it for free. So go to Three-Step Meal Prep and say, hey, I want to know how to do this. I want to get in front of being overweight. I want to get in front of my obesity problem if I have it. I don't want to be at high risk for any virus. I want my immune system to be high. I also know that eating like this is going to be tasty. It's going to be something I can enjoy with my family. I also know that eating like this is now going to be easy because, Donna has said it's going to be a 20-minute meal prep or less. It's again, plan the protein that you're going to eat and the recipes that are going to come from that protein, prepare that food for the recipe and, cook it, prepare it, and then, finally complete. And that part is eat and a lot for the next recipe. Again, only 20 minutes. So go to threestepmealprep.com. What you're going to find there is a full, complete training on exactly how to do this. Oh, and you're going to find 8 immediate recipes. I mean, delicious, divine, delectable recipes that are super easy to put together. And at the end of those 8 recipes, so whether you consume them 2 a day, which would mean 4 days, or whether you consume them once a day, which would mean a week, at the end of that 4 days or that week, you're going to have dropped weight without even trying. You're going to have more energy without even trying. You're going to be sleeping better without even trying. I mean, you're going to have health benefits without even trying. So it's our gift to you. Threestepmealprep.com. You'll be a guest on the masterclass and you're going to just learn. Give us feedback. Let us know how you like it. We can't wait to meet you on the inside.